Howdy YouTube, this is Charles.
And John.
And Princess Frostbite is inside the tiny house asleep. And today, we're at the tiny house, and spring has sprung, and we're going to go see if we can find some mushrooms. Let's get going.
And if you guys haven't yet already, make sure to go ahead and like this video, and hit that subscribe button down below. Stay tuned.
Well, this is what the Ozarks in Missouri looks like. Lots of hills, lots of trees, and the faint sound of banjo music. John keeping it tiny at the tiny house. Let's go find some mushrooms. And this is our amazing off-the-grid dishwasher. Give everybody kisses. Kinda clean. I'll probably still wash it.
I just didn't know if maybe that was a baby.
Alright, so we're walking down to the spring. It's actually sprung a little more. This is the most I've ever seen flowing out of the spring. And we're trying to get down here without breaking our neck. And this section of the spring has water in it year-round, no matter how hot it is. And that's how we know it's a spring and not just runoff. Because all through winter, all through summer, this section always is got water flowing and moving. So that tells me it's a spring. And spring has sprung. Wah! A waterfall. How cool is that? Didn't know that was here. Back to the mushrooms.
So this mountain is full of crystal deposits, which means it's very mineral rich, and there might be other type of minerals here. We also have some mushrooms that we found today.
Here's another waterfall.
I'm not going to cut this one. I'm actually going to try to pop it up for identification purposes. I want to see what the bottom looks like.
He's cute. He is cute. And there's the start of Deke Diedrichson's treehouse, hidden somewhere in the Ozarks. Oh, so thirsty. That was my tribute to Survival Lily. She always drinks from her canteen. She's so thirsty.